You're looking for Mitsubishi Fuso brake pads, and they're probably a little hard to find. We are your source for these. This is the genuine Mitsubishi Fuso brake pads. We have all parts for the Mitsubishi Fuso, but specifically brake pads. Click here, check us out, give us a call for 100% fitment. But from the years, you should be able to click and drop down, match up to the pictures that we have on our website, compare them to yours. For the brake pads, you got each one of our kits. We'll do a front end, a front axle. So there's 8 pads in our box, and you got hardware as well. So if you just need pads, one of these for the front, one of these kits for the back.